Incremental greetings. Let's continue the SuperMemo course pleasurable expansion. Now it's time for the element data window in SuperMemo.
Now I'm going to explain one by one every window. Okay. Now let's resize the content window. I like it to be here.
Content window? Nope, that's the element window. He lapsed it here. I'm going to wait. It's in plural. Contents window. That is the one you have the knowledge tree.
This is your
Not present now in his screen.
element data. Here you can pretty much read the reports about your elements.
Well, I will phrase it that you can see all of the properties, parameters. And should I say too many, more than you may want to check. You have, as you have seen already, you have those tabs, and you can collapse them if you want. And he missed one. There's also the priority.
So there is the type, which concept it belongs to, no one for the moment, which template is in use. Let me open the knowledge tree. Okay, you open the knowledge tree with Alt-C, and that's it. Where did the okay, and this is the ancestor window. Let me usually for that I'm gonna put, and here you see
Okay, he doesn't cover this anymore, so let me add my 2 cents here. Well, let's start with my own case. So I only have this tab, because for me that's enough, because I only want to know the element type, in this case a concept. We will see this. We will see what is the types and so on quite soon. Then the concept that is being used, the group, and the template. For convenience, I don't care about anything else, but just to let you know that, for instance, the priority, position, all of that, it's here as well in the element window. And all of that, I don't need to know all of this at any time. This is only for the flashcards, by the way. Difficulty, again, doesn't make sense to have this at all times. So my suggested dates, also when it's relevant, you can check that in a different window. What's interesting here is already covered, so we don't need that. The repetitions, this should be useful in the case that you're going to the backlog, you have a lot of outstanding flashcards and so on. And for that session, you want to check these often to make decisions, because you have delayed the repetitions. But for the regular use, again, no need for that. Then you're left with this. Yeah, the interval, how many days it is, the previous one, the new interval, and those are according to different algorithms, because SuperMemo is running different versions of the algorithm. You don't need this, because you will see eventually, here it says 0 days. So I already have the current one. And when I select I move on, I will see the next interval anyways in the screen. So at the end of the day, the only thing that I require is this thing. Nowhere else I can see that. Unless I go to the element parameters, we will come to this window, that I see the group, the concept, and the template. So my suggestion is to just have this one. Feel free to do whatever you want if you have everything, but especially if you have on a smaller screen, I will suggest to just keep like this. That you don't care about templates or concepts, get rid of it. Yes, that's all for now. See you in the next video.